Cinnamon is a well-known spice that has been valued for centuries for both its flavor and medicinal properties. Originating from the inner bark of trees belonging to the Cinnamomum genus, cinnamon is native to regions such as South and Southeast Asia. The main bioactive compounds found in cinnamon include cinnamaldehyde, which gives it its distinctive aroma and taste, as well as eugenol, coumarin, and various essential oils. These components contribute to cinnamon's antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial effects. Today, cinnamon is widely used in culinary and traditional medicine practices around the world. Cinnamon has been studied for its potential to help regulate blood sugar levels. Scientific research suggests that certain compounds in cinnamon may improve insulin sensitivity, allowing the body to process glucose more effectively. These effects are thought to occur through mechanisms such as slowing the absorption of sugar from the digestive tract and enhancing cellular glucose uptake. While results vary between studies, many indicate that regular consumption of cinnamon could support better blood sugar control, especially in individuals with type 2 diabetes. However, it is important to note that cinnamon should complement, not replace, standard medical treatments. Cinnamon has long been valued not only as a flavorful spice, but also for its potential impact on mental well-being. Research suggests that compounds found in cinnamon may help reduce stress by influencing the nervous system, promoting relaxation and a sense of calm. Additionally, cinnamon's antioxidant properties can support overall brain health, potentially enhancing mood and cognitive function. By incorporating cinnamon into a balanced diet, individuals may experience subtle benefits to their mental health, including improved focus and reduced anxiety. Cinnamon is a popular spice that can add both flavor and health benefits to your daily diet. To use cinnamon safely, it is recommended to consume no more than 1 to 2 teaspoons per day. You can sprinkle it on oatmeal, mix it into smoothies, or add it to baked goods. It's important to choose high-quality cinnamon and avoid excessive amounts, as too much can have adverse effects. Always consult with a healthcare professional if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medication. Cinnamon has shown promising potential in supporting various aspects of health, including blood sugar regulation and antioxidant activity. Its natural compounds may contribute to overall wellness when included as part of a balanced diet. However, it is important to use cinnamon in moderation, as excessive consumption can lead to unwanted side effects, especially for individuals with certain health conditions. Consulting with a healthcare professional before adding significant amounts of cinnamon to your routine is always recommended. This ensures safe and effective use tailored to individual needs.